Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in class 6 English. As we all know that this is our term 1 syllabus going on, right? So term 1 syllabus is chapter 4 to chapter 7 and with one poem, right? Now this is our third unit. The unit name is people, right? So here in this unit, this is the second chapter, and according to our syllabus, it is the sixth chapter. The chapter name is Dasu's Secret Box. A previous lecture, I taught you the objectives of the lesson. Then I also gave you the characters, right? Characters are Dasu, teacher, Gopal, Joru, Prakash, Bisu, watchman, and guard, a watchman. These are the characters, right? Then we all know that the beginning of the play, it means the setting of the play. First thing, it is in classroom where Dasu enters with the permission of his class teacher, right? And he has one box under his arm, and he put the box under the table very passively. It means very carefully. Then after, the students are murmuring to each other that what is in this box. Even the teacher also asked him that what is in this box. That time he says that my belongings, and we all know that my belongings means my something that owns, right? And the students also curious that what is in the box, right? And Gopal, who is one of the student in the classroom, he is too much enthusiastic, or he is too much curious, and he wants to know what is in this box. So different students, and even when he put the pen, notebook, pencil and pen knife, that time student says that he is as usual things in his bag. It means Prakash said, right? Prakash says that he has all his usual things, and then after he arranged notebooks, textbooks, pencils and pen knives. And Gopal asked to Dasu that what is in this box. Please tell me, I will not tell to anyone. This is my promise. But Dasu is not giving answer to him, and he pretends open a book and look it everywhere. Then after, Dasu slowly take out the box. It means take out the keys from his pocket, bend down, unlock the box, and he lifts the cover and a little and peer into it. And he just nods his head. Okay, that's okay. And he nods his head. And Gopal wants to Gopal wants to see in the box that what is in the box. But before he see in the box, before Dasu close the box and give the warning him that don't touch my box without my permission, I don't want to lose it. And the students also says he might be in that box there is a tiffin box, might be he bring some special lunch in box, and that's he does not want to share us. So someone says that no, might be, it means Bisu says that might be he has a pocket money in that, and that's why he is hiding the money. So Naveen says that a box of money. Do you think that he will? Is he going to open a business, right? Lending money lending business, and says that it must something else. And here our first scene is over. Now second scene, the stage darkens. So how is the stage? So it is a darken. A bell rings. It is a lunch break. The scene is the school playground. So where is the second scene open? So the second scene open into the playground. Students walks about chatting with each other or ran across the grounds, laughing and playing. So what do the students? So they walk about chatting to each other, ran across the ground, laughing and playing. Prakash, Tapan, Joru and Bisu stands in a circle and share their lunch. Now these are the friends. They are standing in circle and they are sharing the lunch to each other. Dashu rushes up to Tapan and he gives him a key. He is holding the box in the other hand. Now what does Dasu do? He runs very hurriedly to Tapan and he give his key, means Dasu gives his key to Tapan and says, and another hand there is his box on the in the other hand. Dasu softly, very politely he gives it, but urgently says, keep this with you till I come back. You will keep this key with you till I come back, Tapan. Be careful, don't lose it. You don't lose it, my key, right? If I am late, leave the key with the security guard before going into the class. Okay? So, what does Dasu give to Tapan? So Dasu gives key to Tapan. Now, what does Dasu say to Tapan? And where does he leave the box? So, Dasu says to Tapan that what? This key is keep it with him until he will not come, right? And be careful, he don't lose it. He will not. It means Tapan doesn't lose it the key, because, and even also says that what, if I am late, leave the key with the security guard before going into the class. And where does he leave the box? So then after Dasu runs away, means goes to the guard's room and he leaves his box there and goes out at as if in a great hurry. Then after what he do? He turns towards, goes into the guard's room and he leaves his box into the guard room and he run away as if he is a very great hurry. Now Tapan with a victorious smile means he gets the chance that what is in the box, he and his friends will see it. He has disappeared, right? Who is he in this line? So Dasu is disappeared. Now's our chance. Now see that, now's our chance. It means now we are getting a chance. We must get our hands on the box. Now we will get the box in our hand. A few minutes later, the security guard goes away to wash his tiffin box. So where does security guard go? So he goes away to wash his tiffin box. The boys run to the box and crouch around it. Crouch means bend on the knee and walk on the knees. It means another name is crawling, right? A small kid. And when we are hiding somewhere, what we are walking bent on our knees and we are walking like an animal, means four legs. So it's a crowding. All the students are rushed towards that box and they are crowding around it. Tapan opens the locks with the key, right? Because Dasu already gave him a key. So he opens the box with the key and he opens the box slowly. Tapan says, there's a heavy bundle tied up in a cloth. So what is in the box? So there is a heavy bundle tied in a cloth. Prakash, take it out quick. Prakash says, take it out. Tapan unwraps the cloth and finds another cloth covered bundle. See that. Once again, there is a outer side, there is a one layer of the cloth. Tapan open it. There is a one layer of the cloth. He unties that and finds the another bundle. Once again, second layer he open. There is a third layer of the clothes also inside. Finally, he holds up a small packet. So what is Tapan doing when he saw the bundle of the cloth? So he unwraps the cloth and finds another cover bundle. And then after he open all the layers of the cloth and finally he holds up the small pocket. So what is in the small packet of the box? Now here our surprise will open. Zoru say, hurry up, open it, see what's inside. There is one small box and that's why Zoru are too much enthusiastic because he got the chance, right? That there is something in that box and what is in the box they want to see. So that's why I say hurry up, open it, see what's inside. What is inside the box? Tapan opens the small pocket slowly and takes out a folded piece of paper. See that? In that box, what is it? There is a one small piece of paper. Naveen said, what is it? What is it that involves paper? Tapan opens the paper and read slowly. Now what does Tapan do? So now Tapan opens the paper and reads very slowly. Ideal curiosity is not a virtue. Now what is the meaning of ideal curiosity is not a virtue? It means a strong desire to know something is not always a good thing, right? When you are too much enthusiastic, right, and you want to see, you want to open that suspense and your curiosity, it is not every time it is a good for us, right? Shame on you, right? Shame on you. There is only one note, and in that note is ideal curiosity is not a virtue. It is a not good thing that every time your curiosity will ends with your happy. You will the ends with happily. It is not every time possible. Sometimes it not possible. Bisu shocked. What? Wait a minute. That fellow has made a monkey out of us. Now made a monkey out of this means fooled us completely. He made a fool us completely. Zoru shocked. Now Bisu said this thing. Okay. So what are Zoru and Prakash saying to? Yes. What is in the small packet of the box? That I told you that there is a one piece of paper, and in piece of paper there is one message, and the message is ideal curiosity is not a virtue. Shame on you. And Bishu says shocked. He also shocked and says that what? Wait a minute. And he says that he has made a completely fooled us. Zoru says shocked. Oh no, it's April Fool's Day. Dasu set us up. Now what is the month? This is the month of April. So what is the day? It is a April Fool's Day, right? We all know that in first of or second April month is known as a full month. It means we are making a April Fool to each other, and Dasu set up for that thing. The boys look at each other puzzled. They realized Bisu and Zoru are right. Right? Now when Zoru says that it is the April month and he set up this plan, right? Dasu already made us to full, and all the other students, it means Tapan, Gopal, they realized and they close this and they look to each other very puzzled. Zoru said, put it back as it was. Quick, we must not let him know we have opened it. Now put it that box, wrap this box very carefully, and we don't want to realize him that we open that box. Prakash say, yes, whenever he comes back, pretend you are innocent. Tapan, pester him to show you the secret in the box. So, what are the boys doing? So, they are they are looking at each other very puzzled way. What are Zoru and Prakash saying to Tapan? That we all know that he is its plan and he make them full. Now what are the boys doing? They are looking to each other very puzzled way, and then after they has to it means all the boys, what are they doing? They have to wrap the box very carefully with the clothes and put into that secret box, and they have to close it very tightly. Why? Because they don't want to realize him. Who's him? Dasu, that we opened it box and we know the secret of the box. Now set up means tricked us. It was tricked us, and it was a trick of the Dasu, and pester means annoy. And the boys quickly wrap the packet and put into the box. Now what did the boys say? They are quickly wrap the packet and put into the box. As they lock the box, they hear the loud laughter. When they lock the box, that time they hear the loud laughter. They turn around to see Dasu sitting on the wall and laughing uncontrollably. Right? When they hear the sounds of laughing, they turns around. and that time they see that Dasu is sitting on the wall and laughing uncontrollably. Uncontrollably means he cannot stop his laughing. So where is Dasu sitting? He was sitting on the wall. What is Dasu's trick? So Bisu say, that's him. He was a very naughty boy. He has been watching us the whole time. Now Dasu has been watching all the time that what are we doing? What were we doing here? Right? We open the box, we unwrap the clothes, we open the small box, there is one cheek, the conversation between us, all this thing he has been watching to us. Tapan say everything was a trick. Right? What was the trick? It was the trick by Dasu. Giving me the key, leaving the box with the guard, pretending to go out, he planned everything. So what is the Dasu's trick? That Dasu gave the key to Tapan, warn him that you will keep it with you, he don't want to lose it. If he late, he will put the keys to the security guard's office. This all are pretending. These all are his trick. What fool we are, right? What fool we are. He make the fool us. No wonder we call him. Then dot dot. We call him. Anyhow we call him. All friends together. Crazy Dasu, and they move as to catch Dasu and punish him. They run behind Dasu. Why? Because they want to catch it and punish him. He leaps off the wall and runs away laughing loudly. And what did Dasu do? Right? When were the boys realize the trick of Dasu? And why do the boys move towards Dasu? So they want to move towards Dasu because they want to catch him and they want to give him a punish. And Dasu what did do? He leaps off the wall. Leaps off the wall means he jump from the wall and runs away and laughing very loudly, and then after the curtain fall down. So when were the boys realize the trick of Dasu? So when Dasu was sitting on the wall and he continuously laughing, right? That time they realized that it was his trick, right? That he fooled us and he knows each and everything and he saw the everything that we are doing here. So students, only a one piece of paper, he creates lots of suspense in all the classroom, in all the play. And that's why the writer gave the title Dasu's Secret Box. There is nothing in that box, but only what? One piece of paper, and there is one proverbs. Ideal curiosity is not a virtue. Shame on. This is our only piece of paper in that secret box. So students, I hope you understand this lesson very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.